Hi everyone, welcome to Create in Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make picnic bento lunchbox. My daughter went to graduation field trip, so I decided to make a picnic lunch for her. I received a lot of requests for picnic lunch for many times, so I'm finally making this video. Just triple this recipe to make a big bento lunchbox if you're making it for your family. I don't recommend making a rice bowl a night before. However, if you have to, if you don't have time in the morning, then yes, you can. There's a way to make it. I already shared how in the other video. I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Deco Furi is rice seasoning to color the rice. It's just as tasty as regular rice seasoning, furikake. The key to make perfect kawaii rice balls is to measure the rice. Then cut nori sheet that fit your rice balls. As you can see, accurate sizes make them look perfect. Nori punch saves time in busy morning. Of course, you can do this night before to save more time. Flour sausages are easy lifesaver. I almost always make this for my kids' bento lunchbox. You just need to microwave for a few seconds to open the flowers. Place the nori faces. Cute pigs add the cuteness. Cheeks are optional, but they make onigiri very happy. Charafuru is dried Kamaboko fish cakes. And colorful rice crackers. By the way, they are all available at 100 yen shop, quite convenient. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.